Welcome to the world of YouTube success. Take a look at this channel. It boasts over 13 million subscribers, with its most popular video nearing the 100 million view mark. In fact, many of their videos have surpassed 10 million views. But the astonishing part is that it's not just this one channel. Countless channels in this niche are gaining millions of video views. What's their secret? They all share a common approach: simplicity. The most rewarding aspect of this video session is that it's based on personal research and practical experience. I've highlighted a crucial point. YouTube brand name research, keyword research, well-crafted tags, hashtags, and SEO-optimized post descriptions and titles are invaluable not only for creating a successful YouTube channel, but also for any content posted on the platform. It's the foundation of visibility and discoverability, making your content more accessible to your target audience. We've delved into various details from beginning to advanced that often go unmentioned in other channel videos, which sets us apart and makes our content truly unique. They upload straightforward LoFi beats against a basic backdrop. And here's the best part: monetizable LoFi music channel with AI. Videos are monetized. The exciting news is, you too can create a monetizable LoFi music channel like this, even if you have no music or editing expertise. Now, you might be wondering, how is this achievable? Fear not. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of launching and creating your own monetizable LoFi channel with AI. Remember, creating the AI LoFi monetizable YouTube channel is just the beginning. You'll need to reach 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time. No easy feat. But I've got a strategy that can help you achieve success quickly. So, promise, and make sure not to skip any part of this video. I promise after this video you will understand how to make money with AI-generated LoFi beats and how to sell beats online. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by crafting some soothing stuff to make money on YouTube posting LoFi beats. To make AI-generated LoFi beats, I'll be utilizing a remarkable AI tool known as Mubert. Mubert is an AI-generated music creator that's gaining popularity among content creators and musicians for its ability to generate diverse music styles. To begin crafting your own music to make money with LoFi beats, simply click on Generate a Track Now right here. Once you're on the next page, you'll be prompted to input some details about your music track. Think of this as your creative guide. You can either type in a text prompt to inspire your music, or you can choose from a range of genres, modes, and activities. Let's start with genres. You'll find a wide array of music genres at your disposal. Feel free to select any that resonates with your vision. For our example, I've opted for ambient. Next, we can set the mood. I've chosen dreamy to create a relaxing atmosphere. Now, onto activities. Let's say I'm looking to craft some peaceful sleep music. I'll click on the Sleep Activities tab, and for the sound type, I'll go with nature. With our music genres, mood, and activity all set, the next step is to determine the track's length. By default, the track length is set at 45 seconds, but you can customize it to suit your needs. I'll be changing it to 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Once all your preferences are set, simply click the Generate Track button right here. Mubert will now take a bit of time to create the music. To save time, we'll fast forward through this part, and here's the final result. This track is a wonderful piece of soothing music, especially suitable for relaxation amid nature activities. I personally find it quite appealing. Now, let's create another piece of music using a text prompt. Let's create another track. Click on Generate a Track right here. Now, provide your text prompt. For this one, I'm entering just night, and for the remaining same, adjusted the length to 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Now let's generate the music. And here we have it. A beautiful LoFi beat has been crafted. To save this track to your device, simply click on the download icon right here. Please note that you'll need to create an account to download the music track. You can do so easily using your Google, Facebook, or email account. Once your free account is set up, your music track will be added to the download folder. This process may take a little time. Let's proceed to download it. Click on the download icon and then head over to the My Download tab. That's truly impressive. Let's play it. Now, to address any potential copyright concerns, you'll need to enter your channel URL. This is the URL of the channel where you intend to upload this music. If you already have a faceless YouTube channel or are well-versed in creating one, you can skip ahead to the next steps. However, if you're new to channel creation, don't worry, we'll guide you through it in the following steps. If you're already familiar with creating a YouTube channel, you can skip this part, but you just need to watch keyword research, tags, hashtags, SEO optimized descriptions. Now, for those starting from scratch, let's dive into the process. Begin by signing into YouTube with your Google or Gmail account. Then, you'll need to choose a channel name and a unique YouTube handle. If you're unsure about the name, you can seek help from ChatGPT for some name suggestions. You see, I am using ChatGPT 4 for free. If you also want to watch free to access ChatGPT 4, the watch video, I will put the link in the description of this video. I asked GPT for name suggestions based on my channel type, and it provided me with 10 options. After reviewing them, I settled on one I liked. But before adding this name, you can also get suggestions for the YouTube brand name from Namelicks. Now, let's work on creating a distinctive logo and banner for your channel using Canva. Begin by logging into your Canva account. Then, click on Create a Design from this menu and select YouTube Channel Logo. You can choose a music channel logo from the Canva template library, or if you prefer, you can craft your own unique design. To do that, navigate to the Elements tab and select Generate Your Own. Here, you'll enter a text prompt. For example, I'm using music, wave, logo, and my channel name. Canva AI will now generate images for you based on your prompt. If you're not satisfied with the options, you can always regenerate the pictures until you find one that suits your style. I've chosen this one. Once you've selected the logo image, you can add a text template and insert your channel name. Feel free to customize the text font and color to make it visually striking. When everything looks just right, you can download the logo in PNG format. Great! With our logo ready, it's time to design a stunning channel banner. Return to the Canva homepage and click on Create a Design. Search for a YouTube channel banner. This time I'll use a pre-made template and then personalize it to my liking. Just like with the logo, you can also generate a new design from scratch. Once you've selected your design, add your channel name and, if you wish, customize the color and font to match your channel's aesthetics. When everything looks just right, go ahead and download the image. So far, we've selected our channel name, created a logo, and designed a channel banner. Now, let's give our newly created YouTube channel a unique identity. Start by entering your channel name and then create a distinctive YouTube handle name. After completing these steps, click on Create Channel right here. With the channel created, proceed to Customize Channel. Once you're on this page, navigate to the Basic Info tab. Here, you'll need to add a channel description. Next, for this, I'll ask ChatGPT to craft a compelling channel description. Now, after generating the channel description with ChatGPT, simply copy and paste it into YouTube. Next, navigate to the Branding tab. Here we can add or update our channel logo and banner. Start with the Profile Picture option. Click on the Upload button right here and upload the logo image. After that, move to the Banner Image option. This time, upload your channel banner image. And don't forget to upload the logo image as the watermark. Once all these elements are in place, click on the Publish button to make your new channel live. After publishing your channel, copy the channel link and paste it into Mubert. Then, click Continue. Next, click on Agree and proceed to download. Your music track will be automatically downloaded to your device. With the first music track successfully downloaded, to get the second one, click on the download icon for track 2. Again, click Agree and download. Congratulations! Your channel and music are now ready for action. Before we can upload the music, we must first create a video with our newly generated track. To begin, we'll need an image. You can generate an image using any image generator of your choice. In my case, I'll use Leonardo AI, which is a free tool. Once you're on the Leonardo AI platform, select DreamShaper V7S as your featured model. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a standard video format. Then enter your desired prompt. If you require assistance in generating prompts, you can make use of the prompt generation tool. To assist in generating prompts, go to the Prompt Generation tab. Then describe your imagination or idea. For instance, you could write something like a beautiful girl listening to music, wearing a headphone, night, dream, relaxed. Leonardo will provide you with a range of prompts to choose from. Once you've selected a suitable prompt, simply click the Generate button. If the generated image doesn't meet your expectations, you can experiment with different prompts or even edit the prompt to fine-tune the result. Now that you have your image ready, let's move on to creating a video with it. To accomplish this, we'll use CapCut, a free and accessible online tool, but I have to install CapCut on my PC. If you're new to CapCut, start by creating a free account. After your account is set up, click on Create a new project. Then upload both the image and the audio file. In the timeline, start by dragging and dropping the audio file. Then, insert the image at the appropriate point in the video. Next, adjust the length of the image to match the audio, and consider adding effects to make your video visually stunning. You can also enhance it further with some filters. Once everything looks just right, proceed to export the video and download it to your device. Now, your music video is ready to be uploaded to your channel. Be sure to provide it with a fitting brand name, title, relevant tags, hashtags, and a detailed SEO-optimized description. And don't forget to include an eye-catching thumbnail. But stop, our title and tags are not decided yet. For this, I go to rapidtags.io here. We put some simple keyword posts, and wow, Rapid Tags generated tags for our description. And then from these tags, we will get some words from tags and make more good titles. And then we will ask ChatGPT to this prompt for description. Write SEO-optimized YouTube video description as a professional lo-fi writer for the title topic to make first 2 lines of first paragraph very exciting. And include the following words in the video description. My channel name is Lo-Fi Keep You Peaceful. With making sentences, here is the keyword list. Past keywords of rapidtags.ai. Write descriptions in the English language. Must write at least 1 line of each keyword. After generation of and put the description in the post, we will put these tags into post tag section. Then we will generate hashtags. We ask ChatGPT to this prompt to write SEO-optimized space-separated hashtags for the same video that must include the following tags. Paste tags rapidtag.ai. You can also put some tags more from post extra tags. Now these hashtags we put end of the post description. With the video uploaded, let's talk about how you can achieve quick success on YouTube. You might have noticed that live music streams often receive substantial views and watch time. You can accelerate your journey to success by going live. Platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming services on YouTube. I personally prefer OBS Studio for live streaming. If you're interested in learning more about live streaming, feel free to drop your questions in the comments section, and I'll consider making a separate video on the topic. Now, let's dive into the second method. Avoid creating single-track videos. Instead, aim to produce longer videos, ideally around 2 to 3 hours in duration. If you look at the content on this channel, you'll notice that most videos are significantly longer than our previous one. So remember, longer videos tend to perform better. Alright my friends, there are some essential aspects we need to discuss. Mubert AI offers a free trial which allows you to generate up to 25 tracks per month, though you'll need to provide attribution. However, this trial doesn't grant you commercial licensing rights for the music. For those looking for more flexibility and value, the Pro version is a great choice. It provides a commercial license and allows you to create up to 500 tracks each month, making it a worthwhile investment. If you're hesitant to spend money right at the start, consider joining Mubert's affiliate program. Simply click on Become Affiliate here and complete the form with your name and email address. You'll receive a unique affiliate link. Share this link in your YouTube video description. If someone signs up for Mubert through your link, you'll earn a commission. Once you've accrued enough earnings, you can then consider investing in the Pro plan. Alright friends, it's time to bring to the conclusion of our video. Before we do, I'm eager to hear about your experiences with creating a LoFi channel with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials like this one. If you want to watch how to convert free movies to animation cartoon, no copyright, video to cartoon AI, click on right. If you want to watch how to make money online with fake Tinder account, step-by-step tutorial, AI Tinder Girl, click on left. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.